Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. I would like, over the weekend, as you are already familiar with our way of doing things, I would like to discuss the trading plan for heading into next week, into next week's trading. And would like to point out that normally we'd like to set up here a let's say 4 to 5 trading steps, and dividing the whole let's say investing into different positions. First of all, we'd like to take a look at the Euro-US dollar, in the sense that this area here where price just hesitated is this area in the 125 level. So 125 was crucial. First of all, if you go and take a shape from here to here and you look at what it represents, and the market tried for the 125, it has been rejected towards almost 129, so a strong 400 pips rejection to the upside, and then followed by what? Followed by nothing that a broken level, and then market let's say holding here the building energy to break higher. I wouldn't say it is broken, and I want you to be very cautious about this one, as it is the 125 is here. It is broken in the sense that the market closed 125.20 area, but this is coming after a triangular formation, and this triangular formation goes from here A, B, C, most likely D and E, or to be A, B, C, X wave, and then A, B, C, D, E. In both cases, let's take a look at what support and resistance area might be here. First of all, this is an area that is definitely a trend line that is definitely going to be a dynamic resistance for the pair. So if you project it on the right side like this, this is a dynamic resistance on the pair. And if you clone this trend line from here to here, you put it to the downside, you see that here at this moment of time, you see that actually it gave us all important level for the dynamic support level here on each and every test here that the market made. Now we have two possibilities here for the Euro-US dollar. If you put this one in here like this, and then you divide it into basically in two halves of 50%, we have two possibilities. Normally, if the market now on Monday and going into next week is going to play with this area here, slipping below 125 again, then we should go and sell the 125 level, or to buy put options aggressively, because it's going to move to the downside. If on the other hand the market clears this area here, the 126 level, and this 126 is important because if you go here from here to here like this, this is an important area. So if the market now goes into this moment of time, it means that for the rest of the year we should only see some kind of a ping pong, if you want, between the 26 let's say 26.50 and 25 level, and that should be how the Euro-US dollar should end the year, into this bandwidth, something like 26.50 and 25 let's say 24.90, something like that. Let me make this one a bit bigger as well, like this. So let's write a bit the plan for the Euro-US dollar heading into next week's trading. And number one, if the Euro-US dollar next week, of course, is slipping or drifting below 124, let's say 125, namely below 1.2475, so only if we have 124.75 even printed here, then we know what to do. We are looking, so after we see that value, we're looking to buy put options with end of week expiration date every time every time 1.25 10 or 125, 125.10 area comes, then if on the other hand the market goes 24 or 24.75 and then aggressively goes and settles above this trend line here, as we said, above this 25.50 and so on and so forth. So if 25.50 is broken and the market goes like this, then we would like to only buy call options, and buying call options on the 125, put options 26.10, call options 25, put options 26.10 for the rest of the year, as that would be only ranging. On the other hand, if it slips below 25, like mentioned a bit earlier, then we have the chance to, for the euro US dollar, to do exactly what the Great Britain pound US dollar did, and that is, of course, extremely bearish. So if euro US dollar is breaking 1.2550, wait for 1.26 or 1.2610 before buying put options with end of week expiration day. Now, of course, if this one comes on a Friday, then we're buying on Fridays, no problem. But it's not going to be end of week, but it's going to be end of day, of course. That is the plan. If this is happening on the fast note and 26 comes and then 25 here, buy call options. If market goes 1.26, we buy put options, and then 1.25 again, buying call options on the 125 with end of week expiration date as well. So basically the principle of ping pong, if you want, is explained here in this trading plan on the euro US dollar. So normally now we should look at how the market is reacting on Monday. If it slips below 124.70, we would like to buy put options, and only put options with end of week expiration date. If it goes, on the other hand, higher than 25.50 into the 26 area, not 26.70, 26 here, and then we like to buy put options here, and every time it comes into the 125, call options again, as well, as the market has only two possibilities here. Either goes like this, and only slipping to the downside to make a new low aggressively then as an impulsive move, or it goes like this, and only into this area for the rest of 20 and 14. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. We just made a trading plan, or the roadmap for the euro US dollar, probably for quite some time now. Thank you and bye bye.